So about a week ago, I bought this. It's the Joby GorillaPod. You know, this thing is super popular. I've seen it literally everywhere. Almost every YouTuber has one, but recently I saw Peter McKinnon complaining about it, how it's not reliable. I was just wondering if that's true or not. So I bought one, put it through a lot of testing, and here is what happened. Honestly, pretty excited to use this thing. It is a little bit like flimsier than I thought it would be, I guess. It's all plastic. For 50 bucks, it's pretty, I wouldn't say it's the best one. It's the best made for how expensive it is. And then what I mainly bought this for was so I don't have to bring this fat thing everywhere when I want tripod shots. Like if I'm gonna get long exposures or something, I can just I can just bend out the legs and there you go. It's all stable and I can pretty much do whatever I want with it. Almost scared to keep my Sony and big lens on this thing because it's so like flimsy. You know, we'll just see how it goes. Take it out this weekend, see how I like it, you know, and then I'll get back to you then. Oh shh! This thing. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here. I'm testing out the new tripod. So my experience with this pod, that's not calling it that. Well, now I can't stop thinking about pods. So my experience with the GorillaPod is you can never trust it too much. This thing will fall on you when you expect it the least. Like that one part I had when I like fell and caught it. I thought out of all places it would fall, that would be the main part. It wouldn't, because each leg had pressure against it, so it would, you know, like compact in like this, but it still managed to bend and fall out of there. And then later you see, for some stupid reason, I trusted it sitting in rushing water to get some shots. The shots turned out sick, but probably not the best idea to trust it with that. My overall thing is, I do believe it is a little overhyped. Every, you know, Casey Neistat, he was the main person to start it. It's like, oh, you need this, you need this. Well, it kind of stinks for how expensive it is. I got the one that was recommended for my Sony, and it's super convenient, and that's pretty much the only thing I like about it. It's convenient and that's it. The bending tripod, if you wrap this around a tree branch, you know, it's just gonna fall like that. The joints are super loose. I don't know if that's just my product or everyone's. I did have a older one 2 years ago, the original GorillaPod. Yeah, my overall opinion is it is a little overhyped. Some of my friends do have the knockoffs and those look to perform almost like this. You know, they're not good, but also this isn't that good. So buy it, use it at your own risk. You can never trust it too much. I'd always try to have like the neck strap wrapped around something if you can, just for extra support. So that is the video. I do believe it is a little overhyped. See you tomorrow.
And say something, right? And say something, right?